Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and y'all, I've got the last 3 canvases from my Amazon haul. Can you believe that? After this video, I'm done with that haul. Alright, so we're just going to jump into this because I just want to go ahead and get these done. I'm not going to show the drills again because I have 3 canvases to show. So I hope everybody's having a great day. And this one has just a regular toolkit. And they have got the drills. And as you can see already, there's no DMC numbers on these drills. And I'm going to apologize for the glare because it's late in the afternoon and I have my overhead light on. But look at that. Look at that purplish pink. Isn't that pretty? So, we'll look at them here in a second. Alright, so, let me look over here at my notes and look and see. What did I give for this one? This is a canvas image, and I just loved the colors. That blue and purple on that black. Oh my. This puts me in mind of back in the day when we would have these posters on our walls and be using those black lights. Yeah. So, but it is 2 dolphins and butterflies. And then a rose, 2 roses. Well, there's a rose. And then we've got some like little sparkle. And y'all, you could probably use some, oh, and then there's 2 blue flowers there too. But this would be really pretty with some ABs and sparklers in it. That would really, really be pretty. So there's the thumbnail, and this is a 30 by 40 round poured glue. It has 22 colors. The DMC is on the schematic, which is up on the top left and the bottom right. Ooh, and then there's a bigger thumbnail. But I really thought this was so pretty, and y'all, I gave $4.99 for this. So I didn't think that was very bad at all. And I just love those colors. Gosh. And there's another one that was there that I almost got that had the same colors in it, but it was it hearts? Or it may have just been like the flowers without the dolphins. But I just thought this was pretty. And like I said, here's the color palette. The blues and the purples, the different shades of blues. The yellow, or like a mustardy color. There's some pinks and whites in the background. Different shades of blue. And I apologize for the glare. But yeah, love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, I'm going to pause for just a second and take this toy away from Booger. Okay, sorry about that. I had to take his chicken. This is his favorite toy, one of his favorite toys. And my husband got it for him at Walmart. And it makes a noise, and every time you barely touch it, it just makes that noise, and it just drives me bananas. And he's like always wanting to play with it when I'm either on the phone or making a video. So, alright, this one, very sticky and very, very clear. Probably have to use a light pad, but that's not the canvas, that's just me. 'Cause I'm blind as a bat. But yeah, very clear canvas. Y'all, he is jumping trying to see the chicken. I can tell him, Booger, go get your chicken. And he'll go get that chicken. But yeah, very clear, very pretty. Alright, so I'm going to set that one to the side. And we will open the next one. Alright, so this one, if I can find the end, why do I have issues? Alright, this one was $3.99. And I had to get it because A, gnomes, but I really liked it. But it has the white boat, or white tray with a spout, a large thing of wax, a squishy, a pin with a multi-placer, and some baggies. Now, these are individually bagged. There's a great big old bag of white. But these have nothing on the bags other than the number. Oh, wow, there's 2 big old bags of white. Okay. So yeah. Okay, I'm not sure what just happened, but my camera just quit. So, woo! And then there went Booger. Alright, so they just have these on here in just 2 strips. But they do have the DMC numbers on the bags. So since these are already like this, we'll go through them. Again, I really like that light green, that purple, the white. Pinks. I'm kind of, I don't know what you would call it, but I've never gotten a canvas that they didn't have the color, the drills in a bag. So anyway, this is a 30 by 40. I gave $3.48 for this one. Has 20 colors. The DMC is also on the schematic, which is on the top left, bottom right. And it says, butterflies are the heaven-sent kisses of an angel. And you got a big blue butterfly right here, and then you've got some smaller ones. But it's very clear. Oh, and then there's the thumbnail. But it does look very clear to me. Even the words look pretty clear. Very sticky, and there's sparkles. I don't know if y'all can see with my lighting, but there are sparkles in the canvas. So yeah, I think it's very cute. So, y'all, that's it. That's all of my haul. So, I do have another kit, but it wasn't part of my haul, that I will do an individual unbagging for. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Until I get until I do another Amazon haul. This is the last of them. So what do y'all think? Out of these 3, which one's your favorite? I'd have to say this one would be mine, and it's the colors that I just love. Purple's my favorite color, but when you put it with the blue on the black, oh my, it pops. So, alright, y'all. Until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.